Okay. Yeah man, boy can't cook boy, I tell you. Nice and beautiful day it is, guys. Believe me. Nice, beautiful and cool. Yeah man, feel free to comment where you guys are watching from. Yeah man, I just there come give a little check-in on my pepper seeds that I have planted, and so far so good. Let me see if I can show you guys what's going on here. Yeah man, so we have one of them right there, so where it's starting to spring some roots. Yeah man, same thing I go on for a couple of the ones up here. I have to find them back. But as I said, birds have had their way in this batch for sure. I didn't see any of the birds in the bag, but the set that I have here in the egg tray, birds have made their way and have a feast there. So yeah man, that is that. So without further ado, I think it's time to move on to my fried chicken. Yeah man, fried chicken time of day now, people. It's maybe some minutes after 3 or going to 4, so time to prepare dinner. Let me get some light on in this place and show you how I go on. Alright my people, so this is where we're at right now. Just wash some chicken. I've already removed most of the excess skin and fat and all of that. Well people, I can't get over how much I love this new meat board. Again, Roddy, when you watch this man, big up yourself man. Big up yourself. Alright, so you know my thing already. Get some vinegar in the water, and now I'll get a clean container. It's cleaning time for these. Alright, so yeah, no food can nice if you're not clean, you know. No food can smell good if you're not clean. You understand? You look about it and you wonder what's that smell. Believe me man, I hold chicken when you clean up good. 1 and 2 part type. See that? Beautiful leg. Alright, so then something you know, take them off. I don't like seeing any feathers on our meat. I've removed so much when I was cleaning this area, and currently there's still a few more remaining on here. Come on, look much better now guys. Nice and cleany. Man, alright. We just do the rest of it. And all of this is like, this is was a whole chicken and I cut it up into parts. So we have breast, thigh, leg, wings, you name it. I'm not going to attack me about the water. I'm trying to go as fast as I can to turn it off. Alright. Yes, my people. I don't know how much of you guys remove all of the skin when you are frying chicken. I don't. Alright, when you buy even KFC, them not take off no skin at all. Yeah, so if you never know, now you know. Alright. But it's not that I can't do it, I can. If I'm doing this for somebody and they require the chicken to be fried without the skin, then I'll definitely remove it. You understand? So me have my best 2-teeth fork. Alright, that's the last of it. So now I'm just gonna make some small incisions on my chicken to get some season in that. Yeah man. You want some season in that. Season it to the bone. You ever fried chicken yet, man? And when you finish and you give somebody a piece of the chicken, them have to ask you, yo, when this thing is seasoned, brethren, like it's seasoned from overnight. You can't do it, you know your secret still, you know. You have to tell them, say, yeah man, it's seasoned from when, man. Or when you know, say, oh, you just season it. And I don't know who I go get dinner today. I'll bless somebody with dinner today, man. You know, say in the meantime, I wasn't quite sure what I was gonna cook with this, but like how I'm here now, I have coconut milk in my refrigerator. I didn't do any rice and peas on Sunday, so yeah, I might just throw some peas in my Instapot and make the peas go and come in while the chicken fry. Yeah man. And guys, you want to be very extra careful when you're doing something like this, because if you miss a chicken, you know how your finger go. See? I don't want nobody to come cry to me. See, me tell them to do this, or me tell them to do that. Alright, wash off my meat board, because for the fried chicken, I'll be doing wet and dry rub for the fried chicken. Yeah, people, I like season my thing properly, you know. I don't know about them, you know. I don't know about some of them fast food places I don't buy food from. You know, just dash the season upon the meat and fry it good. And I say, yeah, fried chicken. Well, technically it is fried chicken, but you know, season properly. So, big up on yourself. All who know a good chicken, when you get one, big up on yourself. A good fried chicken. If I have a brown stew chicken, curry chicken, if that thing seasons good and you taste it, you can tell, because you know how to do the thing and you know what the right thing is supposed to taste like. Right? Yeah. You have to know these things, guys. Even when you don't do it for yourself, even if you hire a chef in your own kitchen, and nobody go buy food, you know. You go hire a chef in your kitchen. If the chef not up to standard or the chef not up to par, because in do a one meal where you know you can do it better, or you know not necessarily better, but you know say, so it's supposed to taste, right? You know, have that real authentic taste there. You're supposed to can tell. Yeah man. So without further ado, let me just get some. I get something out of my fridge, guys, for sure now I'm going, because you know, I don't feel like say some hurry come up thing. I go on here, so see, let me see, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, what else we have here? Can I go for it? Scotch bonnet, can't do without that. One scotch, eh? What you mean? And some pimento seed. What you mean? I actually have these scallion in my fridge for a while, guys, so I'm trying to use them out now so we can get some new ones. So I already have a garlic strip and peel there already, and a one onion. Everything I will get purified in the bullet right now. So I'll just fast forward to things, clean up these, chop these, and get on the back on track. See? So yeah. Okay, so my people, this is what we will be using. I think this is about 3 and something. I'm not really sure how much chicken we have, but I'll try to be as precise as I can with the season for this fried chicken mix what I go on, you know. So see what I go on, you know. We have 3 cloves of garlic. This is actually half of an onion, and I did use a piece of the the scotch bonnet earlier today when I fry up my corned beef, but the part with the seeds are still intact. And guys, I just say heat there. Seeing so, I drop that in that. And I have a little bit of thyme, dry thyme. This is dry thyme. Drop that in there so too. What you mean? Now nice up the thing, you know. You deal with the same way. Right? I mean a piece of scallion right there so. And not much. Or no probably I wonder why me I use such a little bit of season. Alright. Brain food. Time for learn now guys. Get on a book and a pen and a paper. See? The burning point for a lot of these seasons are really low. Actually higher than the chicken. So guess what? You will be frying away your chicken. This is gonna be covering the chicken, right? And you'll be thinking your chicken is burning, but actually your chicken is not burning. It's whatever you coat your chicken with that is burning, which will be this, because burning point for this is lower than the chicken. So you probably wonder why is your chicken getting so dark? And guys, we don't have no paprika, you know. I want to go on there, man. What are here? No paprika, I'm out on paprika, I'm out on egg powder. Oh Jesus. Alright. You have to just turn my hand and make fashion. Alright, so give me this. You turn my hand and make fashion. We go improvise and use something else because you can't be at a location cooking and you're short on one key ingredient, seeing, and you go star your whole pot. So I'm at this wedding, for say, I'm at this wedding and fried chicken we go on. Hey, and no paprika, no egg powder, nothing for you know your chicken not color then. So you mean you tell me say me I gonna make nobody I with no food? No sir, that one didn't have to work at all. You have to improvise. Alright guys, so you add like a cork full of the vinegar will act as a tenderizer also for my chicken, because you won't necessarily get to blend out this without some form of liquid in it. So about a cork full of vinegar, about a cork full of water, and that will work just fine. Alright, on to my bullet. You don't need to show you that, not true. And you're going to purify this, guys. You don't want to see no lump, no piece of scallion, no piece of onion, as fine as I can get it. Yeah, man. Then what do you think? Right? Yes. Nice. And lovely. People. Me I should have somehow no neighbor. Who would have fat. Every day me go no food. You see that, people? No piece of onion, no thyme leaf, no nothing. Right? So let me just set this good. Matter of fact, let me show you the meat board so you can see everything what I go on, because I don't want to miss out this, you know. Fried chicken are practically one of the most eaten way you can do it a chicken is probably to fry it. Right all over this world. Fried chicken is done in every single country you can think of. Yeah man, believe me. Alright, so this is just the wet rub, guys. I'm gonna tell you, say this smell wicked, smell good. No powder season added as yet. You wanna make sure, say this wet rub that you put on, it go all in the little creases, or in a Jamaica we would say in the little crevices and corners. Yeah man, you want this go every single way on the chicken, people. So you see when somebody bite in a piece of this, Then can say, yes man, this season good. This season to the bone. This tastes like it's season from yesterday or it's season overnight. That is a trick. It's just seasoned properly. Alright, so we have some Maggi chicken. I'm going with both. Let me get one spoon, yeah. And I have some measuring thing, you know. I don't know which kind I work find them. Or I find some of them. Man, let me look at a regular spoon. I can't even tell you the size of this spoon, but I'm going with about this about half. Yeah man. Alright. So one whole spoon of Maggi chicken. Alright. And one whole spoon of that one here Maggi all purpose. Yeah. Alright, so that was half. And this another half. Jamaicans don't really measure things still, you know. I'm telling you, you know, the rest of the world will have them measuring cup and them measuring spoon. We eyeball everything. Yeah man, and I tell you say in a go salt, in a go fresh. Yeah. Yeah man, that's how we stay out there, man. So we stay right out there, so. Alright, oh, small jar. In this, we have a little bit of jerk season, a little bit of season to the bone season. All of this Jamaican season is fine. I think only in Jamaica, I don't know if they ship this across the world, but I'm 100% certain it is here. I don't know how far they extend the distribution into. So, alright, now add one whole spoon of this. This will be in jerk season, season to the bone, and some other little thing, you know. Yeah. And guys, when I buy all of these things, I come home and I get the bullet and I throw everything in the bigger bullet that I have. And I blend them over and I get my container. So this jar that I have here is my special little recipe of seasoning. Yeah man. I'll pimento blend out tonight same way. So I might not add the whole grain of pimento, or let's call it allspice. What I work, yeah, probably recognize it as allspice. See? Yeah man, you might not see me I use no whole grain in this, but it's there. Right? You might not see me use no little jeera, no masala and all these things when me I do a curry, but believe me guys, it's there. You understand? Yeah man. Alright. This looks like it can take a little bit more season. I mean, I don't need to taste this. I can look at it. You just don't have the complexion of a meat that is seasoned. So, yeah, you can tell. Oh, alright. So I'm going to go in with half teaspoon of my special and a little bit more of the all-purpose. You see, the chicken, to me, the chicken is good, the Maggi chicken is good, but I don't know, there's something about this. You see, all-purpose, oh God man, if you guys ever use this thing, man, believe me, give to Caesar what is due to Caesar. That's something here, nice, but you see all myself on Amazon and all too. And guys, you would be so surprised to know that I think, I'm not sure. You don't listen to me. I think Maggi was a Jamaican brand. I think it was built and bottled or whatever in Jamaica, but somehow I feel if you understand why is not only Maggi. So let me fix things straight right now. Not only the Maggi. Why is it that so many of the things you would think that would be more expensive when it's being sold overseas, it's actually cheaper overseas than it is here? I think even Red Stripe cheap in America, you know, and you would think Red Stripe brewed and bottled right here in Jamaica, you know. Man, that's a brain food, you know, go research that too. Whole heap of things. And only Maggi. You see Maggi on Amazon cheaper than Maggi in a supermarket out here. And you would think Maggi season was made in Jamaica. Believe me, guys. Alright, so chicken is technically ready. Me go get you need a thick enough pot when you're deep frying chicken, guys. Alright. Me go just search for your pot and turn on back the video. Hold on. Alright, back again. So oh shit. Alright, so back again. I got a container for my flour. The flour time. And no, guys, I didn't find any paprika. I didn't find any egg wash or any of that, but I think some egg in the fridge. I'll work with about 2. Yeah. Alright. Put away my flour. Flour kind of make a little mess. Alright, so in a separate container, now I'm gonna get about 2 eggs. Don't know if 2 eggs can do, guys. I'm just seeing if I let it go as far away with this egg business, because I'm just improvising here. Right, I'm actually searching for a bowl right now. Right thing. Alright, so see me have a deep enough bowl here. I'm just gonna. A lot of people don't use the egg white when they're doing fried chicken, but it don't really matter, guys. Alright, I should have put on my peas. Yeah man, let me just throw some peas in the Instapot and make them go and cook while I do this. Because if you don't know about Jamaican dry peas, if you don't know what I do, tomorrow they still cook. So let me just throw in some peas and get that on the way. Alright. That should be enough. Thank God we have a little coconut milk in our freezer already. So, alright. Wash my peas. How much I want to wash peas? Some people don't wash peas, you know. People just throw that in a pot and cook. As long as you can wash. The only thing well, technically you wash, but the only thing I put on the fire that I don't wash is, like, you see me have some chicken season up here right now. I probably don't fry all of it, and I'll just get a container and put some of it in my fridge, my refrigerator. And tomorrow, I just take out some, or I'll take it out and look about it. You can't bother wash that because you wash from the day before and it's seasoned. So practically or technically, I must say the only thing that we don't wash before. You go on yourself. Pressure, you give peas in about 20 minutes. With Instapot, you don't really have to sing peas, guys. Yeah, man, the Instapot are terrible, man. 20 minutes. Start. Alright. I want my small whisk then now. Alright, one small whisk. We just whisk the egg now. See what I go on. I don't know if this will be enough for all of the chicken that is here. properly. Beat the egg. Beat the egg then, no? Yeah, man. Beat it, man. Do you the right way. Alright. We can live with that. Alright, so we just have to go try and make that work. And now I'm gonna light the fire under the pot that I'm using. Yes, cooking time now. It's officially cooking time. When me do this part of the work, you know, this no means a cooking time, you know. We can always put that in the fridge, you know. But me now go light the fire and turn off back the stove. You understand? So if something came up before we start put nothing in the pot, this going in the fridge, and I go deal with whatever came up. But as long as my stove light, whatever came up, have to go wait. See? So back to this. What go on here so now? For this flour, I'll be adding a little bit, maybe about quarter spoonful, if so much. No, I don't think so much either, to the flour. You ever get some fried chicken, man, and you wonder why the crispiness and the coating outside, everything crispy and seasoned. Yeah, man, you have to season the flour, man. You only have to season the flour. And we'll put a little bit of black pepper to this as well. So the chicken can look nice and decent. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So that is it. This no want nothing more. I not have no egg wash. I not have no paprika. If I did have paprika, now would be the right time to add the paprika in the flour. Most people add the paprika on the chicken. I don't do that. I add the paprika to my flour. Alright. Well, me don't know if I right way me I do it, but as I grow up seeing my mother do it. Again, mommy, when you're there and watch this, big up yourself. You make all of this possible today. Yeah, man. Number one supporter that, guys. Other than my mother and my little son. Number one supporter, number two supporter. Alright, so I have some show now I go on pass now. See me have one piece of garlic right here, so I have garlic and I have small piece of scallion, scotch bonnet, and a few pimento seeds will be going into the hot oil, people. Into the oil. You have to flavor your oil. You have to flavor everything when you cook. You can't flavor one and not flavor the rest. The rest when you flavor, it go take some of the flavor. Say the chicken seasoning, you know you don't flavor oil. When you're done, the oil practically, if you taste the oil practically tastes nicer than the chicken. You understand? Yeah, man, so you have to flavor everything, my people. Everything have to get a good flavor. So let me go put in some oil in the pot. And people, I am not the type to be turning chicken. So you see when me a fry chicken, I fry chicken. So no come tell me say me I use too much oil. And like so when time me done cook, me I throw the oil in your plate give. A chicken me I give. You understand? Yeah, man, we just put up back the oil in my cupboard, so I don't watch no face. Yeah? So, I don't know how hunt me down now so me a fry chicken in a too much oil. Oh, you feel fry chicken and you use half cup of oil or one little cup of oil to fry chicken. Me like when my chicken fully submerged, if I not have to turn it, I won't. You understand? Because I'll cover it right through. So, pepper and garlic, this scallion. Yeah, man, you have to season your thing. Them might not taste like KFC, but me I tell you, tastes good, probably better. Colonel, you better watch out, you know. Your boy there do something. Colonel need to watch out. Drop in some pimento berry. Yeah, I go get this maybe about maybe about 5 minutes, make it higher, get up to temp, and then we start coating the chicken with the egg and the flour and all of that. You know the thing goes, so stay tuned. 5 minute time, be sure you want to go on. Yeah man. At that time of day there. Yes, the people, big up on yourself, people. The aromas are kicking in right now, believe me. Yeah man. Fried chicken is bad. But I don't want to be the one to say that. Whoever eat, you have to tell me. Self-praise is no recognition. See? So anybody here say, oh, they do the best of this and the best of that and the best of that, and I say work. You can't tell yourself to your best. You have to make people compare, taste your food and tell us, yo, that's bad. This is one of the best you ever have. You understand? Yeah man, I say you go man. So stay tuned again. In a reach 5 minutes, I just have to show now I go and a while ago. Alright, so while we are waiting for that, let me just set up my camera here so I can start dip some of these chickens in dye flour. But the stand here kind of tricky, so I just work with what I have to know. Understand? Alright, so chicken, flour, eggs. Alright, so chicken. When you cook, people, you can't afraid to get your hands in. Alright, so 1 flour, then dip in egg. Alright, fully submerge in the egg. See there? Now back in your flour. Alright, we're gonna get a clean plate now. So I can just rest these on. So as soon as the oil hot, I can just drop them in. That is it. Just want to shake off all the excess flour that is on there. Rest it on my plate. And next, just like that, my people, you want to coat it with a little flour first, then get it in the egg and just coat it a bit, then back to the flour. That's it. So just repeat the process, my people, and it should be good. Alright people, it's been 5 minutes. The oil is hot enough. So in with our chicken. And it looks like you can take another piece. There's one more. Alright guys, I think I can remove all the seasonings that I added to the oil now. They have done their job. And the only thing they will do now is just burn and maybe change the taste of the oil. So I'm just washing my hands here. And I'm getting a spoon. This is what I'm using. The pepper can actually stay, but and the pimento seed, but for the garlic and the scallion, you don't want those to stay. people, the aroma, Alright, so over there now, I'll just add another piece. That is it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is give this about 10 to 15 minutes per side. All you have to do is just continue to check it and make sure that it's golden brown on each side and you should be good. Right, so I'm not going to leave the camera recording over a pot of fried chicken. Makes no sense, so I'll just wait it out. As soon as I see what I want, then I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright people, it's been about 10 minutes. Yeah man, so time to give it that turn. Yeah, wish I had put more oil in there, but it's fine. A lot of people tend to close their pot, put on a lid whenever they're frying chicken. But the thing is, I do it as well. I will do it in this batch, but it's a process where you have to do it at the right time. You have to make sure that all the edges of the chicken have a bit of a crust. If you do it too early, the chicken will start to sweat and it will eventually wash off a lot of the sweat that's pouring from the chicken will eventually wash off a lot of the coating, the flour that you have on there. So you will wonder why the crust or the batter that you have on the chicken seems to be falling off. It's a result of the pot being covered too early. So yeah, you have to do it on the right time. So in the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'll just remove this. Well, 10 minutes time, I'll put the cover on and give it 5 minutes with the cover, make everything soak. You understand? Yeah, you want all the inside of the chicken, you want the heat to actually build up in the pot so that it can reach to certain places and every little crevice and corner, as us Jamaicans will call it. Yeah man, so 10 minutes time, I throw on the lid, give it a little 5 minutes, make everything bubble down and get together, and you know? Yeah man, so you know soon see what I want. Chicken look nice and crispy in the people. So good. Yeah man, boy can't cook boy, I tell you. That is it. Alright people, so it's been 10 minutes and I put the lid on, but I was on a phone call and I was not able to record while being on the phone. So yeah man, everything golden brown. Give it the next 5 minutes. Oh, alright. Instapot timer has just beeped. Alright, just getting some lights on because it's now night. So yeah man, just finish. I'm just gonna finish frying the rest and put my rice on and see if I can show you guys the finished product. Alright, yeah man, so stay tuned. Alright people, so I actually want to try and time this batch and to get a little fresh and come back, see what we have there so far. Yeah man, so I'm not go bored, you know, repeating me frying chicken over and over and over. All that go come out looking the same. See, so that's what it looks like. Wish I could have really do more, but that's what it looks like. I have the last batch frying and I'm just gonna do my rice and peas, which I'm not supposed to see me do that over and over already. I think I do 1 or 2, maybe 1 rice and peas video on the channel. So if you want to see a rice and peas, you can go watch one of my older videos. Yeah, so practically that's it, because I should have started from there so that I could finish it's night and everywhere is kind of dark and we have some bad light and what heap of something, man. I actually want to go time this. I think I have 8 more minutes on this. I want to turn the fire down a bit and see if I can leave the kitchen for maybe about 15 to 12 minutes and go get a fresh and come back. So yeah man, I think that's it for today's vlog, today's video. Big up on yourself. Seeing over and out. Seeing.